getting out of here, we're finding a shower, we're finding laundry.
I hang back from me just a little bit.
It's now 20 degrees outside and the roads are pretty rough. So we're going real slow, under 30, and just trying to make it through. We are pulled over here because the road is closed 20 miles up ahead. So John is trying to find us a new route. We're somewhere in Wyoming. Seems like this happens to us every day.
Only 26 minutes more, so it's not that bad.
All right.
Winter storms are really killing us.
We have a detour every freaking day. Explain what is happening, John.
We're on our 5th or 6th reroute of the day, and frickin' all of them at an hour or two.
For some reason, all the roads in Wyoming are closed.
Yeah, all of them. North to south, right in the middle of it. None of them are open.
So now we're routing again, wasting more hours. We should have just freaking stayed in the Tetons.
Yeah, we've been driving since what, 8 this morning?
Yeah, what time is it? It's 2:30, and we've gotten nowhere. Alright, we're going again. I rerouted us to Longmont, and to avoid road closures, apparently, it's going to take us an hour longer than it was supposed to. So we're 3.5 hours away instead of the 2.5 that we should have been. But still, alright, we're going to make it to Colorado. We are ready to be out of Wyoming. We've run into so many issues here today. It's been crazy. Like, the amount of time that we've been on the road has been like twice as long as it has needed to be already. And it's not good. We just want to get a shower. We want to get some food. We want to find a campsite. And that has not even been close to happening yet. This guy wants to get out of the freaking car. He's a good boy. We're going to get out and we're going to take you for a WARK. Yes, we are. In 1 hour. In 1 hour, we're gonna. I'm gonna just play with you when you're such a handsome boy and we'll stay up and we'll have fun. I'm so sorry that we've been in the car so long today. I didn't want to be. I'm sorry, Bubba Dukes. We're driving into our campsite, hopefully. We're on National Forest land in Colorado. We have made it. Hudson, where are you? You're so excited, I know. Yeah, you've been in the car all day, huh? Is anyone more excited to be out of the car than Hudson? I don't think so. He's running around like crazy. Yeah. It's still cold.
It's gonna be cold. But it's also windy.
Bonus. Does he care? No. Drop it. What do you got in your mouth? A pine cone. Oh, you're a good boy. Morning, Hudson. Are you happy to be out of the car? The sun is coming up over this hill over here. We're camping in the mountains. John's got his hunting jacket on.
It's cold.
Hudson has been up since like 5 trying to get us out of bed. But we wanted to wait till it was light out because apparently we're in wolf country.
We made it to the top of our little hike. There's where we parked, camped actually.
Do you like hiking in Colorado? It's snowing out a little bit. You can't see it on the camera, but there's a few flakes in the air.
We are in Colorado. We're in some national forest.
Some gulch trail.
Young Gulch.
Yeah, Young Gulch Trail. I think it's Roosevelt National Forest.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Don't lay down.
It's snowing on our walk.
What?
Said Hudson's a bit crazy right now, just loving life.
He got a little bit wet. His legs and belly. It's beautiful. A walk in the Colorado snow. Hudson! What are you doing? Hi. You love it, huh?
Just a little bit of our view from the campsite. We're over there. Jess and Hudson are somewhere. It is freezing.
Just out for an evening walk with the dog. Hudson, come here. Hudson and I are just taking a walk around the campsite. He has been outside all day, so he's a happy puppy. He's a happy dog. We just cooked some ramen for dinner. And now we're just enjoying this view before it gets dark, and we gotta climb in our cars so that we don't get eaten by bears. Huh. Yeah. That would not be fun. John is all cuddled up in his truck over there because he's a bit cold, but Hudson and I are brave in the weather. Our cars are parked over there. We've got a view of the mountains. We're up pretty high, and it was snowing earlier, but it stopped, so it's supposed to warm up some tomorrow, so we're pretty excited about that. But I'm just trying to keep Hudson out of the car as much as possible today, so we're hanging outside till it gets dark. He's just chewing on a stick, enjoying his life. He loves it. He's a much happier dog when he's not traveling and stuck in a car all day. He likes the part of traveling where we get to go on hikes and be outside and spend all day together. That's a good day. We had started a fire earlier, but the wind was like crazy up here and we didn't want to start a forest fire. So we put it out with dirt because we don't really have a lot of water. Seems to have worked quite well. This is John's wood bag. It took us forever to saw apart all this wood by hand, and apparently it was for nothing because we're not bad people and we're not trying to start fires. And he kept stealing our sticks earlier too. Up here it's really hard to find these little sticks, and he just kept running off with them. He didn't care that we needed them to start the fire. No, he did not.